Here we are on the Aggressor IV. I'm going to give you a tour real quick. Check it out. We're on the back deck now where you board and where you get in and out for diving. Ladders are here, dunk tanks for cameras, suits hang right over here. Come on up this way. Showers for when you get out if you want to rinse. Here's the dive deck. This is where all the divers put their gear on. You can get set up here, set up your kit, get up, off you go into the water or onto the Zodiacs. Back over here, we've got decks for doing cameras for drying out, boards for keeping track of what time. You can see it's pretty roomy. Both sides. Over here, washer and dryer. Cubby holes for charging stations, charging cameras and whatnot. Now let's go into the first floor. It's pretty nice, you can see, look at this, check out this wood map right here. It's really cool. Yeah, you guys are fine. That's where we're at, the Red Sea. We're gonna take you downstairs first and show you the galley area. This is where we've eaten our basically 5 to 6, 7 course meals every day. You can see it's like a 5-star restaurant. There's Ali. He's been helping us all week long. It's been a great time. Thank you, Ali. This is where we've had our delicious meals. There's a few staterooms up in front of the galley right there. Let's go back this way. Back upstairs to the first level. We'll show you down here. There's several staterooms down this hall. So I'll show you what the rooms look like. This is my room right here. You've got single, double beds, or you got 2 single beds, however you want to look at it. Bathroom area. You've got a toilet up there, huge showers over here. TV if you want to watch movies. Basically, there's several of these rooms. Oh, go ahead. Excuse me. You got spiral staircases that basically go all the way up. Here we are on the second level where we're drying our gear from the week. Nice roomy area here. I'll show you the salon. This is nice. This is basically like a living room. This is called the salon. This is where we do our dive briefings every day. And they'll have it on a TV and they'll have nice drawings. Do a real good briefing where you can lounge around in between dives up here. There's also another staircase going downstairs right there. Let's go on out here, coffee station over here. Let's go around to the front. This is Port Ghalib. You can kind of show this over here. More rooms on the side here. I think these are upgraded rooms, basically going on the side. He's filling petrol, but we can just come on up here and just show basically there's a nice sitting area here with the table. Thank you. Yeah, get him in the shot. Yes, these are the tenders of the Zodiacs. We had 2 of these that we've been diving off all week. That's right.
Captain to the second.
Yes, right here. He's our second captain. You guys did great. Thank you so much. All right. Let's go back around this way.
Wow.
That's right.
Cowboy.
Yeah.
Cowboy.
That's right. The cowboy. See? Everybody wants to wear the cowboy hat. The rattlesnake Rinn hat.
So this is the real one, yeah?
It's the real one, yes.
I feel this real one.
I got that one back home in Oregon. All right, let's go up top. We'll show you the lounge area. So up here, we've got a nice kind of outdoor lounge area. And if you walk over here, you've got huge opening here. We've got local entertainment right here for the evening time, as you can see.
I don't have my dollar bills on.
That's it. Here's the bar. where it's complimentary wine and beer all week long. It's been fantastic. Wine glasses up here. Let's go this way. Another bathroom there. Here's the captain's quarters in his area, although he prefers to drive up top. We'll show you that in a minute. There's 2 hot tubs right here. At each seat, 2 with a nice view looking towards the bow of the boat. And it goes all the way around and then it ends right there. All right, let's go back this way. We're gonna show you up on the sun deck. Cappuccino bar every morning. It's been great. Coffee, cappuccinos, whatever you want. It's been a great time, great food, great drinks. Now we're gonna go up to the sun deck and we'll show you what that's all about. This is the beautiful sun deck, the very top where you can see everything in beautiful Egypt, Port Ghalib. And there's a nice sunbathing area over here. You can lay out on these padded viewing areas. Here is another captain's seat here with the helm, and this is actually where the captain prefers to drive from. He says he doesn't like it below because you can't see anything. So even at night when we drove this boat for like 7 hours to one of our sites, he stayed up here in the dark and it was super windy and rockety. But this is where you drive the Aggressor IV in the Red Sea. And as you can see right now, it is a beautiful day, a little bit of breeze. It's not too hot. It was a little chilly this morning, but I'm getting ready to take my sweatshirt off. So anyway, that's what our boat was like. And it's been a great time. If you ever get the chance and you're a scuba diver, I highly recommend Aggressor Adventures Red Sea. Check it out.